Let's learn how to factor an expression that has fractional exponents. Here we have x raised to the 1/2 minus x raised to the 3/4. Seriously, where do we even begin to factor this? A good strategy is to try to apply the same logic with appropriate changes of simpler questions. If we want to factor x to the 4th minus x cubed, we observe that 3 is less than 4. This means we can divide x to the 4th by x cubed and x cubed by x cubed. We place x cubed on the outside of a set of parentheses. Doing this, as you might recall, gives us x cubed multiplied by the quantity x minus 1. We can tell immediately that 3 is less than 4, but when we have fractions, we have to rewrite them with the same denominator, so we can compare them. We can multiply 1/2 by 2/2. This is allowed because 2/2 is a form of the number 1. So now on the left we get 2/4. We can compare the fractions easily now because they have the same denominators. Here, we can write that 2/4 is less than 3/4. So to keep the same logic of the simpler example, we divide x to the 1/2 by x to the 1/2. We divide x to the 3/4 by x to the 1/2. We place x to the 1/2 outside a set of parentheses. Recall that when the bases of a quotient are the same, we can subtract the exponents. Here, we have the base x in the top and bottom, and so we get x raised to the b minus a. We apply that same rule to our problem. We get x to the 1/2 multiplied by the quantity 1 minus x raised to the 3/4 minus 1/2. 3/4 minus 1/2 becomes 3/4 minus 1/2 times 2/2. 1/2 times 2/2 becomes 2/4. So we get 3 minus 2/4, which is 1/4. So we get the final expression x raised to the 1/2 multiplying the quantity 1 minus x raised to the 1/4.